Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a breakfast bake. You're going to need 1 pound of bacon cooked, an 8 ounce of sausage links cooked, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, 1/4 cup of milk, a tablespoon of chopped onions, tablespoon of parsley flakes, and 1.5 cups of cheese, a loaf of your sourdough bread, and eggs. On the eggs, you're gonna need 2 per person. So let's get started. So in my bowl, I'm gonna crack the eggs. I'm going to make enough for my family, so I'll use 8 eggs. I'm going to add my salt, pepper, and garlic. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk. Whisk it up. Sausage. And my bacon. Put up. Okay, then in my baking dish, I'm going to line the bottom with my sourdough bread. Fill in the holes a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to pour my mixture. So once I have placed everything in my baking dish, I'm going to cover it with cheese. After you've covered it with cheese, you're going to cover it with foil, and this is going to set in your refrigerator overnight. That way everything is absorbed. The next morning when you get up, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 and you're going to bake it for about 35 minutes. Thanks, have a blessed day.